Samsung is quietly preparing some interesting upgrades for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and this time the focus is not only on photography, but also on video recording. New information found inside One UI 8.5 code suggests that Samsung is planning to give users more control over how their videos look and feel. These changes may seem small at first, but together they could make a real difference for people who care about video quality on their phones. According to code snippets discovered in One UI 8.5, Samsung is working on new features for Camera Assistant, a tool that already gives users more advanced control over their camera settings. These new features are expected to arrive alongside the Galaxy S26 series next year. What makes this more interesting is that they may be exclusive to the Galaxy S26 Ultra, meaning even the Galaxy S25 Ultra might not get them. The biggest changes are aimed at video recording. Samsung already offers plenty of focused options, but video has often lagged behind when it comes to manual control. That seems to be changing with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. One of the new options found in the code is a video softness control. This feature will allow users to decide how sharp or soft their video recordings should look. Just like with photos, too much sharpening can make videos look harsh or unnatural. With this new setting, users will be able to choose between 3 options: off, medium, and high. When the softness option is turned off, the video will likely look sharp and detailed, but it may also show more digital processing. Medium should offer a balance between clarity and a natural look. High softness will reduce sharpening even more, creating a smoother and more realistic image, though it may slightly reduce fine details. This kind of control is especially useful for people who edit videos later or want a more cinematic look straight out of the camera. Another new feature coming to Camera Assistant is improved autofocus control for video recording. Users will reportedly be able to adjust both the speed and sensitivity of autofocus. In simple terms, this means you can choose how quickly the camera shifts focus when something new enters the frame, and how responsive it should be when subjects move. For example, a fast autofocus setting could be great for action scenes or vlogs where movement happens often. A slower, smoother focus transition might be better for more professional-looking videos, where sudden focus jumps can feel distracting. This level of control is something video creators have been asking for, and it's nice to see Samsung finally moving in this direction. These software upgrades also suggest something bigger might be happening behind the scenes. Samsung has been criticized for using very similar camera hardware across multiple generations of its flagship phones. While software improvements help, many fans feel that hardware upgrades are overdue. Reports suggest that the Galaxy S26 Ultra may bring back a rear camera island design. This change could allow Samsung to use a wider aperture on its camera sensors. A wider aperture would let in more light, which usually means better photos and videos in low light conditions. If this happens, it would be a meaningful upgrade after years of relatively small changes. The new Camera Assistant features make even more sense when paired with better camera hardware. Together, they could give the Galaxy S26 Ultra a noticeable edge in video recording, especially compared to competitors. This also raises questions about Samsung's broader strategy. If these features remain exclusive to the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it could frustrate owners of recent flagship devices. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, for example, is still very new, and many users expect long-term support and feature updates. Limiting these tools to only the newest model might not sit well with everyone. Still, even with software alone, these additions show that Samsung is listening to feedback. Video recording has become just as important as photography for many users, especially with the rise of social media and mobile content creation. When comparing this to Apple, the timing is interesting. Recent iPhone models have faced criticism for odd camera issues, including strange AI artifacts, lens flare, and other visual glitches. If Samsung can deliver stable hardware along with flexible video controls, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could stand out as a strong alternative. In the end, these rumored upgrades may not sound flashy, but they point to a more thoughtful approach to mobile video. If everything comes together as expected, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could offer one of the most customizable and capable video experiences on a smartphone next year.